Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Shopify store. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. Alright, so first up, once you've clicked the link in the description or pinned comments, you can go and click on select a plan right here once you have your account and store. Okay, just click on it. Now you can go ahead and choose to use advanced right here, as you're still going to pay just $1 for 3 months. Okay, for basic, grow, the best option right here is advanced. Click on select advanced, then go ahead and enter your payment details. And once that's done, you're good to go. And once you're done with the payment process, you can go ahead and click on settings right here and check your plan. Okay, you should now be able to see advanced right here, or basic, or whatever plan you have subscribed. And as you can see here, I've been using advanced. Okay, it will expire in 3 months. Now, once that's done, actually, you are good to go. You now have your own store right here at the top right. You can just go ahead and check, or if you want to create another store, just click on create store. If not, you can go back to the home section. And basically, when you go ahead and sign up, a store will be automatically tied to your account. As you can see here, that's just basically it. That's just how you create a Shopify store for beginners. Now, if you want to know more about the sections right here, for example, orders, products, customers, marketing, discounts, and so on and so forth, you can go ahead and check our channel out. We've got a ton of videos for you. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.